Okay.
Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have this absolutely beautiful rose gold haired Blythe. I have this doll many times over. I have actually made a Renaissance dress for this type doll, this doll type, I should say. And Tina at Tina's Reborns and I thought it would be fun to take a rose gold haired Blythe and do a Renaissance dress and a face-up, maybe a haircut. This particular doll needs a haircut, and as you can see, it's a bit greasy. So what I'm going to do to start is take her, well, I'll probably take her out of the plastic as a matter of fact, and I'm going to wrap her, get all of her hair up behind her, and wrap her string around her neck. And I'll do that when you cut a Blythe's hair, be sure to wrap the string, but when you do, have her hold the ring so that you don't, if this is in the back, you might still cut it. Happens quick, very fast. Anyway, I'm going to take her in the bathtub, a dry bathtub, and I'm going to lay her down like this, and I'm going to take baby powder, and I'm going to sprinkle this hair, sprinkle it, and then I'll shake it down, turn her over, and do the back side, and then I'll let that set for 24 hours, give it a shake, see if I need to add more. And what that does, this hair isn't real greasy, but as you can see, it's got a little bit of more grease than I want in it. I don't like that greasy,
Clumpy.
yeah, I don't like it. So that's where I'm going to start, and then I'll give her a nice wash, hair wash, and while her hair is wet, I'll probably do some trimming. We'll see. We'll see. She's going to end up with short hair. I do know that.
Can't really see them. Okay.
I got her out of the bathtub, and I'm combing this through the hair. Look, the wind's working with me. It is very, very windy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb this through, and then I'm going to let her sit overnight and wash it all out. So I'm at the Ren Fair today, and I am joining in with Tina at Tina's Reborns. We each took a little red-headed Blythe and gave her a little face-up, which I did something a little different this time. Made them Renaissance dresses, and I did mine purposely not what the Ren Fair police would like. So I thought we'd walk around and ask people what's wrong with her outfit. So Tilly's story is she's a young girl going to a Renaissance fair, but she happened to wear the wrong thing. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm here with Holger. And look at what he is cooking at the Ren Fair. Man, oh man. He needs to throw in another potato so that we can stay and eat. And I'm going to ask him, as a Ren Fair policeman, what is wrong with her outfit as far as authenticity?
So for Norse authenticity, you have a few things missing, really. This would basically just be the underdress with some extra trim on it. We wear what is called an apron dress. So you have your underlayer and then an apron layer that would be worn. It's like it sounds, it's apron. It's an apron shape. The whole purpose for that, it gives you several attachment points for tortoise shells, which were a kind of brooch that the women like to wear, and they would string beads or money, usually gemstone, along between them, and often hang tools that they would use. Yes, and the apron itself serves as that extra point of usage, because they would be tending the fires and the cooking all night, and doing all of the normal household things. So the apron dress is really key toward that purpose.
Like any.
Yes.
You would be interested to know that my husband actually has, and really, I'm not making this up, has a pedigree what would you call it, family tree back to the 1100s. When, is it Norway or Iceland?
Norway.
Norway. Isn't that cool?
That is cool. I have one family line in the Johnsons that goes back to the Norway. But it's not 1100s. It's a little later than that they came over and joined in.
Well, this was remained Norse, but it went all the way back to that. So I thought that was really cool, and I thought you'd enjoy it.
I do.
Thank you
enjoy
so
it.
much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for coming out.
This is Michaela, and I've asked her to tell what is wrong with my little Blythe. Do you mind if I tell?
Oh no, you're fine.
Michaela has creepy dolls. How exciting is that? So she's going to tell us some things that are wrong. She's going to play the Wren police.
Michaela, what?
All right, so a few things to be noted about this doll is purple, the color in particular, was reserved for more royal. These little decorations right here would have been more embroidery. And then if you look upon the back, this little tie right here, this little open space, would have been more in the front and laced up with string. Ta-da!
Thank you, Michaela. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
It's a shame we can't get some pictures of her creepy dolls, so we should insert that here.
Yeah, no kidding. Let me fix that on the back. I do want to show you. Have you seen these black dolls? Some people think this is creepy.
She's beautiful.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, that's precious.
And then you decorate the strings in the back. That's her name, Tilly. This is Tilly.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Dilly.
Thank you so much.
All right, so I'm looking at this lovely doll, and she's showing me her dress, and it's number one, the wrong color. Unless she's royalty, she can't wear purple. That's just for the royalty or the Pope. He can wear purple. And her little lace right here. It's fancy for the time period. So something a little more simpler. Or if she is royalty, then she would have some gold in there, some little more techniques. But this looks a little modern. And she looks like she's tie-dyed. So they wouldn't have tie-dye back in the Renaissance at all, unless there was a mistake in the dyeing. But it would be more simpler, not blotchy as it is. Overall, she looks very pretty.
I forgot the snaps.
Oh, she
we
doesn't
got here
have,
and I forgot
she's
my
showing her back. Scandalous. Oh, she's so much in trouble. And I like her tights. Ooh, they're tie-dyed. Oh, look at there. We wouldn't be wearing anything like that, but it would keep her warm.
Yes, it would.
It definitely would.
And you could use it today. It's a little chilly.
Hi. The ribbon is pretty. If she is maiden, means that she's young and not with a man or betrothed to a man, that she would be able to wear her hair down. She wouldn't have to cover it, but as soon as she is married, then she has to cover it and keep it up. You see a lot of pictures of women with their long flowing hair. Oh, that would be absolutely no. She wouldn't be able to do that at all. And it looks like she has a wee bit of makeup on.
A little bit.
That would also be something that a woman of the night would have. Yes, a young lady as her, a maiden, would not wear such a thing. Other than that, she's very beautiful.
Thank you.
And I love her shiny hair.
I have a granddaughter with hair that color.
That's gorgeous.
We're here at the Trebuchet, and we just talked to those people and really having fun at the fair. And I wanted to show you Tilly's beads and her eyes and face up, her little face up. I blushed her because she's at the Ren Fair and we're all out in the sun, and a lot of people get sunburn at the fair. Her little eyes are done with dandelion flowers, and we have the blue, which I love those blue eyes. And We have the green, which you absolutely love, and a redhead, of course. And the regular blue, but my favorite, I think, are the side-eyed brown. I did want to show you her little tights that I made from a sock and her little shoes. The back is, oh, you know what? I didn't finish the back. I forgot her snap. Well, no wonder that's pulling open. Okay. Well, here she is at the fair.
3, 2, 1, loose!
It's May 4th. May the 4th be with you at the Renaissance Fair. There's Orion Berenson. Still single, ladies. Thank you, Tina. This was another fun collab with you. Be sure and go by and see Tina's video today. Please leave a comment. What else is wrong with my little girl's outfit? Isn't she cute, her little nose sunburned from the Ren Fair? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.